Jiangmen Bunfeng Cylinder Company Limited. Located in China's famous motorcycle industry base, Jiangmen, Guangdong, covering an approximate area of 15,000 square meters, building area of 10,000 square meters. Bunfeng was founded in 2009, having all the types of the processing ability of cylinder block and annual production capacity of 3 million. Specializes in motorcycle cylinder development and design, mold processing, parts production. Its annual production capacity. Up to now, the company has always been adhering to the quality first, customer first, business purpose, sincerely to cooperate with other manufacturers. With a strong independent R&D capability, excellent management system, and perfect after-sales service system, Bunfeng has quickly grown to be domestic leading enterprise. Advanced equipment, pursuit of excellence. In order to constantly perfecting products, we have improved the level of automation by using modern precision machinery. Now our factory is provided with several production lines, producing a variety of accurate die casting, peening machine, and painting. Additionally, we possess 6 production lines consist of the numerical control lathe, the boring mill, and the 4-axis machining center for precision machining. The 4-axis machining center is industry-leading machining equipment. It can simultaneously produce the 4 sights of cylinder workpiece and also can realize the precision machining of the complex spatial surface. Thus, this center has the production ability of highly anisotropic cylinder block. Its high degree of automation ensures the high-quality requirements of products and greatly improves the efficiency of production. Considering the motorcycle engine requires high power, long lifespan, small size, and low emission, our company has imported the most advanced international platform, honing screen technology of engine cylinder block. This technology improves the sealing performance between the piston ring sealing and inner cylinder wall, reducing the amount of air exhaust and initial wear rates, enhancing power. Form oil slick improving the lubricating conditions for repeated movements of piston ring in cylinder hole, therefore reduce oil consumption. Product quality is the life of enterprise. Precision manufacturing requires striving for excellence. In order to ensure that quality of each manufactured product, our factory imported the coordinate measuring machine, pneumatic detector, and other precision measuring instruments, which meet the requirement for excellence. Bunfeng has passed the ISO 9001-2000 International Quality System certification in 2015. Quality management system is effective.
Companies attach importance to technical and management and training and constantly improve the level of innovation.
Due to the advanced processing equipment and excellent product quality, our products are well received by clients. At present, the company produces 7 series of products, including Honda, Suzuki, Kymco, Yamaha, Bajaj, Piaggio, AKT, Autoco Motor, a total of more than 150 varieties. Our products sell well in the Middle East, South America, Latin America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Striving for excellence is the absolute requirement of company for production quality. Continuous innovation is the only pursuit of company for product development. Beyond service is the eternal promise of company for customer requirements. Today, competition becomes fiercer. Bun Feng has always been adhering to its spirit of enterprise, holding on well at the current situation, looking forward to the future, and strides forward towards the goal of modern enterprises. With wide breadth of mind and great verve, outlines the blueprint for the future. Bun Feng will go hand in hand with other motorcycle manufacturers to create brilliant in expansive market economy in the future.